All right, I think we're gonna get the audio. It's working, audio's coming in. Get one double check of that and we'll be good to go. I did not get to live stream last night on day 3, so this is the day 3 stream. Testing, 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 right there. Testing, 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 testing. So what happens, we are on a vacation, very first vacation since we had our first child. And so the commitment will be for this 365-day challenge to finish 3,000 hours of curriculum. It'll take, give or take a few hundred hours, depending on how challenging it is for each person. This is at freecodecamp.org. I have no affiliation with them. I found this and I'm really encouraged at the possibility of learning this and being able to join one of the 40,000 plus people who have achieved developer positions from taking this free curriculum. And they have many other things from game development, cybersecurity, lots of really cool stuff. It is a nonprofit. I would check it out, completely free and very intuitive. I don't have any experience with coding. It's been many years since I, took my computer science classes in high school. So jump right in. My commitment will be to stream every day. If there's a time where I'm sick or a time where we're traveling and family, the goal will be to record 2 sessions of at least 30 minutes or more the following day. So this is the first of day, this will be day 3. But it is technically on day 4. So we started on 9/11/2025, and we're going to finish on 9/11/2026 and see how far we get. Right now, I'm a full-time student in school at Liberty University online, and I'll be finishing my bachelor's degree in March, where I'll be able to then probably jump in and try to go to about 5 hours a day. So until then, we're going to try to go from an hour to 2 hours each day. So I'm going to jump right in it. We are going through some HTML stuff, and we are working on building an app for that through the training. So please, let's jump into it, and I'm going to turn on make sure the music's at the right, everything's at the right, excuse me. Everything is in the right spot. All right, let's jump to it. Gotta have the coffee. Add a lower rank heading element to the page, it's implied that you're starting a new subsection. After the last H2 element of the second section element, add an H3 element with this text, things cats love. So we're adding a new section. Okay. I believe that's going to be down here, right? So after the last H2 element of the second section, so we have section 1, this is going to be a new section, add an H3 element that says that. So looks like that's going to be 2 spaces to nest it in here. it's just going to be H3. It's going to be things, cats, space, cats love. I think that's correct. Wonder what is wrong with the things cats love. Oh, with the colon. Oops. No, still. Is it supposed to just be section? Ah, I gotta close the section maybe. A new subsection. Does that mean that I need to do that? Which is, so that's the beginning. Well, that's the beginning. That's the end. Confused. Unless they just wanted this to be. So that was what. Okay, so they wanted it inside. So the second section, H2. So a lower ranking heading element to the page. It's implied that you're starting a new. It's implied that you're starting a new subsection. After the H2 element of the second section element, add an H3. Got it. That was a little confusing to me. To create an unordered list of items, you can use the UL, unordered list, UL element. After the H3 element, with the things cast love text, add an unordered UL element. Note that nothing will be displayed at this point. So I guess it's going to be right. Is it here, or do I need to close it as well? So something like nothing in it. Oh, okay. Unordered list, milk, cheese. Okay. The LI element is created a list. Created a list item. Is used to create a list item in an unordered list. Here's an example of list items in an unordered list. Example: milk, cheese. Within the UL element nest, 3 list items. 3 list items to display 3 things. Catnip, laser pointers, lasagna. All right, so if that's the case, then we need to do LI, right? LI catnip. Anybody know if cats really like lasagna or not? I think it could just be for laughs. Does that look correct? Let's double check what we're doing. I think it's correct. Did I spell something wrong? Catnip doesn't have this space. Very particular. You gotta be very, very detail oriented in some of this stuff. Here's another reminder. It doesn't happen often, maybe every 15 minutes or something, but this is a nonprofit organization providing free coding experience. Lots of people have taken advantage of this, and I believe once I get a job, I will become a supporter and hopefully contribute to the community. But even before then, I'm going to try to just be consistent and check it out, freecodecamp.org. So after the unordered list, we're in step 24 of 42. Add a new image with a source SRC attribute value set to, okay, let's see if we can do this. So after the unordered list, so that means here, after. So is it, I guess we go, it's like, forget though. Equals, maybe this link, right? I'm having trouble remembering this. Let's go with, this is our description. Is it like this? Like maybe a slice of lasagna. I'm going to be right back in just a second. Actually, let's see if we finish this first. But it's not ended, is it? Like, I'm missing something. I know that. Like, there should be an image element. So, okay, so it needed to be IMG, SRC, image with a source. Yeah, so that was a little bit of a test there. And I have to close it with after. I think. It is surrounded by quotations, and I think I need to just like close it with like maybe the new image should have an alt value of a slice. Let me see if I spelled it wrong. A slice of lasagna on space. Yes, okay, but I still needed this though too, so let's take that out. Watch. Like, nope. Oh yeah, I guess I was already through it. All right, I'll be right back. Gotta run and grab something. We are back. I think I still had the audio going on. All right, this is the code we've created so far. Pretty intense. Cat list, things cat love, so there's lasagna, things cats love. Catnip, lasagna, laser pointers, lasagna. The figure element represents self-contained content and will allow you to associate an image with a caption. Nest the image you just added within a figure element. Nest the imagery within the figure. So we add the figure one up here. So I guess it's just should be correct. No, your figure element should have a closing tag. Closing tags. I spelled fig. Okay, I think that's the thing. It's gonna little things like that. Most of my mistakes have been spaces or a little bit of spelling error in there. A figure caption, fig caption element is used to add a caption to describe the image contained within the element, the figure element. Here is an example of a fig caption element with the option of a cute cat. Example, figure. Let's keep it rolling. To place emphasis on a specific word or phrase, you can use the M element. Emphasize the word love in the fig caption element by wrapping it in an element, and an EM element. That's easy enough, right? Cats love. Top 3 things cats hate. Ordered lists. They're numbered. Okay. Unordered lists would be more bullet points. An ordered list would be numbered. An OL. Okay, let's see. That's supposed to be nested in. It is. So let's go with 1, 2. And that's going to be 'em. I know that's not always true. Cats don't always eat other cats. All right. And then at the end of this, I think I must go back to, all right, this is, boom, that was actually successful. $31. There's the picture we just added. So we're going to add a description. Two tabby kittens sleeping together on a couch. Double check first. Click once. Probably good for us. Let's finish this. The strong element is used to indicate that some text is of strong importance or urgent. In the figure caption, you just add to indicate that hate is a strong important, wrapping it in a strong element. Strong dog. Okay. That would be what does that look like? Hate. The footer element is used to define a footer for a document or section. A footer typically contains information about the author of the document, copyright data, links to term of use, contact information, and more. After the main element, add a footer element. A little confused, okay. Technically, I guess that's right. Post it. I forget about this. In a minute. Anchor element. We got to go up to see where our last one was. Okay, here it is. So it's a simple one. It's one of those more of an open. Could it possibly be that A is here with href equals, is this possible? Hmm. Is this right? No. Just gonna put. I'm not getting. What is. Oh, whoops. Within the P element. Okay. So it should be nested within the P element, inside the footer. Make sure you add an opening tag and a closing tag. Do I take this? Do I just add it like... How do I do this? Is that going to be correct, maybe? freecodecamp.org. This is tough. The links text should be freecodecamp.org, right? Freecodecamp. I think we're getting closer. Oh. Well. know, so now again, I don't have a. Okay, I think we got there. Man, so it comes right before this actual, I think that's it. No, it's still not it. After nesting the A element, the only P element content visible should be. That's not it. So in the browser. Oh, the spacing. So it's that little bit of nuance in the spacing right here. Yes. Yes. That was the tough one. Gotta really lean in sometimes. That was tough. Have my confidence monitor up here on the screen and just laughing at myself, getting excited about it, but it's worth celebrating. Step 38 out of 42. Notice that everything you've added to the page so far is inside the body element. Let's notice that. Body. Yep. All page content elements that should be rendered to the page go inside the body element. However, other important information goes inside the head element. The head element is used to contain metadata about the document, such as its title, links to style sheets, and scripts. Metadata is information about the page that isn't directly on the page. Add a head element above the body element. Make sure you read everything all the way through. Let's go. Getting there. Notice that the entire contents of the page are nested within an HTML element. The HTML element is the root element of an HTML page and wraps all the contents on the page. You can also specify the language of your page by adding the lang attribute to the element. Add a lang attribute with the value en for English to the opening HTML tag to specify that language. All right. No. It's supposed to be inside of here, right? Or is it just going to be like this? No. Adding the lang attribute to the element. That's what we're doing. What is it like? Maybe it's, if it's a value, so it's like equals en, maybe? I mean, isn't this what I had before? Let's see. No, I don't know. Could it possibly be this? This is, I don't know why I'm not understanding what's going on here. Reset it again, I guess. Nested inside the HTML element, yes. H is the root element of an HTML page and wraps all the content on the page. You can also specify the language of your page by adding the, how do I add this to the HTML element? Attribute. Is that it? We did it! We did it! So it's an attribute, it's not an element, so it doesn't go on its own. Woo! Wow. Okie dokie. All pages should begin with doc type HTML. This special string is known as a declaration and ensures the browser tries to meet an industry-wide specification. Tells browsers that the document is an HTML5 document, which is the latest version of HTML. So we should do this. Very last step. You can set the browser behavior by adding meta elements in your head. Here's an example. Meta attribute equals value. Meta attribute equals value. Okay. Inside the head. All right, I think this is correct. Let's check our app. We completed all 42 steps. Next, we're going to build a recipe page. It's a lab. Let's see, a lab. So we got some things that we're going to be doing. Let's see. Building some stuff. Yeah, we're going to be adding a lot of things with very little prompts, and we'll hop into it on the next one. Thanks for checking in. Please sign up if you let me know if you signed up just from watching this, and if you're going to start your journey. I'd love to maybe connect with you and bring you on and have a discussion and see what your motives are, what you'd like to do, and maybe you start your own journey with setting a goal is very important, because even if my goal is to do this in 365 days, so 9/11/2026 is to complete this 3,000 hours of this curriculum and secure a job. That's a lot, but if you don't have a goal, you're not going to reach it, and if you set a goal, you should get very, very close to it if you do not achieve it, and at the very least, we'll have a job by the end of 2026, but the goal is the goal, and that's what we're trying to do, and it doesn't matter if it's late nights, but many hours putting into this, because it has the ability to provide and meet our family goals. So take care, God bless you, and make sure you tell your family that you love them.